Do you want to speak English without stopping, without translating from your mother tongue? So the secret is simple. Start thinking in English. Today I'll share three simple secrets the way your thinking will be changed. So hello everyone, welcome back to Dallas Spoken. This is Smith speaking. So guys, if you are a really beginner and you wanted to speak more fluent, so this video is really for you. And today, as already know, that I will share three steps that definitely it will change your way of thinking, and if you follow these steps, then definitely you will become fluent after a week. Okay, so without any delay, let's start our session. But if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends, and you'll love joins. So guys, exercise number one: narrate your day in English. It means when you wake up, so just start narrating your day, like when you are going to take a brush, so just say like I'm taking brush, and after that you can also say like I'm taking a shower, so whatever you are doing activities, so just start thinking in English. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm going to the market, I'm buying this thing, right? And if you don't know the what is the vocabulary of this thing and all, so just Google it, and you will get the good vocabulary, and then after that you can speak, right? So this thing you have to follow in your day in day out, and you can see how your thinking will be improved and how you will speak smart. Exercise 2: picture and describe. So guys, you have to pick anything around you, okay, and just describing. Maybe it could be painting or any gadgets, whatever is it, okay. So just start describe. And also you can follow one thing that while traveling you can also describe like what people are doing. You are going to buy bus from somewhere, this place to another place, right? So just start doing this thing also, describe. And if you have your bike, your phone, take just anything and just start describing. And okay, so this exercise you can follow, okay. And exercise third: question and answer them. It means what you have to just questioning yourself, like hey Shumit, what are you doing? So you have to also reply, yes, I'm doing great in my life. What about you? So you can also say like, yes, I'm good. How was your day going? Yes, my day is going well, right? So you have to also question yourself and answer yourself. These things will boost your confidence level, and you will also get the idea how to make a small talk, right? Because so many English learners and who speaks well, right? But they don't know how to start the small talk, and what kind of questions that they have to ask to the new people, right? So in this way you can just start questioning and answering yourself. And if you don't know what kind of questions that you have to ask to the new people with first time, so just you can like use chat gpt, and you can so simply write like how to make a small talk and all, what kind of question that I have to ask. And after searching, so you will get the so many questions, and after that just pick 2 or 3 questions. So just start using yourself, okay. You start questioning and start answering yourself, and definitely you will speak fluent, okay. So I hope guys this video will be really helpful for you. And if you have any questions, so you can comment below, and I will definitely reply to your comment. And if you wanted to learn anything, so just feel free, comment me, okay, and I'll definitely answer you, and I'll definitely help you. So I will meet you in my next video. For the time being, bye, and keep learning, keep smiling, and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.